Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today exercise 7.2 question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC, isosceles triangle ABC, isosceles triangle ABC means AB is equal to AC. These are equal. The bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. This bisector means this angle and this angle are equal. That is O. Join A to O. Join A to O. That one. Right? A to O. So that OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. So, in triangle AOB and triangle AOC, that AB is equal to AC. Given that angle ABO is equal to angle ACO by bisector of only bisector is sufficient because angle B or angle C are equal by isosceles triangle. Now AO is common. So triangle AOB congruent triangle AOC by SAS congruence rule because side angle side. By CPCT OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. That is the first part. Second part, AO bisect angle A. Triangle AOB congruent triangle AOC from first part. That by CPCT angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. That is proved. Question number 2. In triangle ABC, AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. See figure 7.3. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So diagram is already given here. No problem is there. Solution. See the diagram. ABC, that is the perpendicular D. Perpendicular means this is the 90-degree angle. So solution. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, that BD is equal to CD by bisector is given there. Bisector. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC by perpendicular, right? AD is common. So by SAS rule, triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. First thing we have proved. And then in which AB is equal to AC. So by CPCT that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Again I am repeating the full form of CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Question number 3. Here you are looking the diagram. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means AB is equal to AC. In which altitude B, F and CE. First of all see that diagram. Third one diagram is this. A, B, C, that is altitude, EF, EF. So that these are the altitude BE and CF, and equal AC is equal to AB respectively, so that these altitudes are equal. So this is also given the 90 degree is so in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. AB is equal to AC by isosceles triangle, that is given here. Isosceles triangle, and then angle AF, see that, sorry, AEB is equal to angle AFC, that's given in question. Angle A is common for both triangle. You are looking the angle A is there by ASA rule. ASA rule means angle side angle, because one side is here and two angles are here. So by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, that triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF. Now by CPCT, so just wait here, by SAS rule, angle side angle, triangle ABE is equal to triangle ACF. Now by CPCT, BE is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF. That fourth question. Diagram is also given there. Same diagram is here. A, B, C, E, that 90 degree also. F, 90 degree also. ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF, two side AC and AB are equal. It means BE is equal to CF is given equal. Okay, so that ABE congruent ACF. ABE. So first part solution. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF. BE is equal to CF. That's a given in question. Next, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, also given in question. Angle A is common. Angle A is common. So by by SA, angle ASA by rule of ASA because one side and two angle given by ASA. Congruence rule, triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF. First thing we have proved. Second part, that AB is equal to AC. So triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF from first part, that by CPCT AB is equal to AC. That's approved. Question number 5. Here is also diagram given. See that first of all diagram. That A, B, D, C and this side equal of this one, these are equal. Okay. Now question number 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same side BC, so that ABD is equal to ACD. It means these two angles is equal to these two angles. So we know that AB is equal to AC, that is given. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB by equal opposite side, sides. Here also BD is equal to CD, that's given. So angle DBC is equal to angle DCB by equal opposite sides, right? So this is the equation. So this is the equation first and second. Equation first, this is the equation second. First plus second, angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. So when we will add this and this angle, then that will be ABD, angle ADB. It will B cancel by B. It's a simple theory also. C cancel by C. B cancel by B again here also. ACB and BCD, that angle ACD. Here is the C cancelled, here is the B cancelled. It means we are adding this angle, then that combined angle will be ABD, and this angle combined will be ACD. That is the proved. Question number 6, that ABC and isosceles triangle, in which ABC is an isosceles triangle, that's also I think given that diagram. Yes, 7.34. First of all, see the diagram. Question number 6. Diagram is this one. That B, C, D and that one is A. Are given that this are equal. So we are prove here, we need to prove that angle BCD is a right angle triangle. it means this angle is a 90 degree. We need to prove that. So that, and see the question, listen the question also. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Okay. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. It means these three lines are equal. So that BCD is a right angle. So solution, that AB is equal to AC is given. So angle B is equal to angle ACB by equal opposite sides. Next, AC is equal to AD. This also given. So angle ACD is equal to angle D by equal opposite sides. Right? Now we know that sum of angles of triangle is equal to sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know that very well for the triangle BCD. For the triangle BCD, angle B plus angle ACB plus angle ACD plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. In triangle BCD, there are four angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle B, we can write angle B is equal to angle ACB. So angle ACB plus angle ACB plus angle ACD plus angle D is equal to ACD. Angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Right? Now this is the 2 times. So 2 angle ACB plus this one also 2 times. So 2 angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now 2 is common. 2 angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now this 2 will be going there. Angle ACB ACD, it means when we will add this angle and this angle, that will be BCD. Angle BCD is equal to 180 upon 2, 9 ja. So angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. That is the answer. Question number 7. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Find angle B. Find angle B and angle C. Find angle B and angle C. This is also very easy question. First of all, we will draw the triangle. 7th question. A, B, C. This is a given the equal and this is the 90 degree. Is given the question. Right? So, AB is equal to AC. That's a given. Given. So, angle B is equal to angle C by equal opposite sides. You are looking the equal opposite side. Many time has come. Now, sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Again repeating this one. See that? So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That angle A, we know that 90 degree is given in question. Angle B plus angle B. because angle B is equal to angle C. We have already proved here. So is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle B is equal to 180 because 2 time is there, minus 90 degree by the interchange. Sign has changed. So angle B is equal to 90 upon 2. 180 upon 90 upon 2. 45 ja. So angle B is equal to 45 degree. Answer. Angle C is equal to 45 degree. This is also answer. Last question. So that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. 60 degree each. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So first of all, draw the diagram. That is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. A, this one. All sides are equal. This is the sign of equal. So here AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So ये by equal, opposite, by equal side, by equal sides. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. So sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. We have done previous this one. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That angle A plus angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree because all three angles are equal. So 3 angle A is equal to 180 degree. That angle A is equal to 180 degree upon 360. So angle A is equal to 60, angle B is equal to 60, angle C is equal to 60 degree. It means all three angles are equal and 60 degree each.